Smethwick Role Street station was opened in July of 1852 by the Birmingham, Wolverhampton and Stour Valley Railway Company, which later was absorbed by the London Northwestern Railway as part of the Stour Valley line between Birmingham and Wolverhampton. It was rebuilt from its present form in 1890, where two-level crossings in the centre of Smethwick were abolished. Drawings of the rebuilt station can be found on the Smethwick Role Street Station gallery page of the Network Rail Corporate Archive. In 1985, pupils from Parkside Junior School created a mural for Platform 1 under the direction of artist Jeremy Waygood as part of the Birmingham to Wolverhampton Corridor Initiative. In June of 2017, this mural was removed and replaced by one created by students from Sandwell College under the direction of artist Steve Field. In addition, an exhibition room was created by another set of students from the college to display the history of the station and one of the murals. In October of 2017, this work was recognised by the ACOR RP Community Rail Awards with a first prize for involving diverse groups and a third place for the community art schemes. Work began in 2022 to install lifts to allow step-free access to the station. This project was expected to be completed by July. I never saw any lifts when I went there, that's for sure. So, starting a little differently at Smethwick Role Street with 350-409, working the 1246 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Wolverhampton. Coming crawling around the corner is 175.04 and 175.10 for West Midlands Railway, working 2 Golf 15 from Shrewsbury to Birmingham New Street. And on that thing's heels across country is 220015 and 221131, working 1 Oscar 16 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. And going in the opposite direction is 220018 and 221140, working 1M38 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Next for Avanti West Coast is 390.050, running 5 late, working 9M52 from Edinburgh Waverley to London Euston. Next up for West Midlands Railway sees the return of 175.10 and 175.04, working 2 Juliet 16 from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. And right at his heels for London Northwestern is 350.106 and 350.113, working 1 Foxtrot 44 from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Departing on the far side is 350-234, working the 1307 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Birmingham New Street. Taking us by surprise round the corner is 350-124, working the 1313 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. Running 52 minutes late for Transport for Wales is 158822, working 1 Indigo 10 from Shrewsbury to Birmingham International. This today terminated at Birmingham New Street due to its late running. Right behind him for London Northwestern Railway is 350-260, working 2 Golf 52 from Crewe to Birmingham New Street. Next for Avanti West Coast is 390-151, working 9 Papa 65 from London Euston to Preston. Coming around the corner for London Northwestern is 350-234, working 2K52 from Birmingham New Street to Crewe. Running 5 minutes late for Transport for Wales is 158841 and 158833, working 1 Indigo 12 from Holyhead to Birmingham International. This will be our final fast action here in the form of 158822, returning with 1 Delta 14 from Birmingham New Street to Holyhead. And taking us by surprise, here comes our train 350-114, working the 1346 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Wolverhampton. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.